Whew. Guys, hey guys, welcome. You guys see the title, so I'm gonna give you guys a disclaimer before you go into the video. I will not disclose certain things, so I feel like it is, fair enough. I vlog, you guys are in my life, you guys see when I buy stuff, the house is building, baby barn, baby almost 3. You guys see a lot of stuff, so I owe you guys at least this to let you guys know I'm doing surgery. And yes, I am doing surgery tomorrow. I waited so long to do the video, and I should be preparing myself right now to get everything together because I have to be there before midday. My surgery is actually somewhere around that time. I have to be at the hospital. So yes, I'm getting surgery tomorrow and I'm nervous. Who wouldn't be? I am just like, this is the first time I'm doing surgery, like literally surgery, because they're gonna put me to sleep. But I trust my doctor and I trust in God, of course, Almighty. I do trust in Him. You guys know that God is only love for me. I have faith, even though it's been tested so many times with this, things playing in my head. But listen, I know God is real and everything, I have cold bumps. Everything is gonna work out and everything is gonna be okay. It reached a point where I'm like, so I got my date the day when I was over by Disney. When Disney reached out and I was supposed to go over Disney, that's when they officially gave me the date. And I confirmed with the date. I was like, okay. Ooh, that was quick, And now it is finally here. And I'm super nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I just want it to be over with. Tomorrow be over with. I will not come home the same day because my surgery is not early in the morning. So I will not come home the same day. I will be there until Saturday. Today's Thursday. My surgery is on a Friday. And I'm happy it's on a Friday because my husband doesn't go to school Friday. And but the only thing is, let me tell you something. Saturday the girls have another meet. I will not be there, and it's far. It's 2 hours drive, and Janice will have to come and get me and stuff like that. Everything is already arranged. I'll give you guys more updates on everything, but the girls have a meet. She was like, oh, they don't have to go. What? They're gonna go. You understand me? So I have to brace myself. Tomorrow night then time here, I'm gonna be in pain. Things is gonna be different in my body. Yeah, I just want to make it clear, it's nothing, no surgery where it's nothing cosmetic. Let me just put that out there. I wish not to disclose the type of surgery. We might do it later on, but I wish not to disclose that right now. Just keep me in your prayers when you guys see this. I will be in the healing process, so you guys are seeing this video right now. But yeah, we do have surgery. I don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say in the video because I don't know. I was actually gearing up to get my videos under the wraps. Let me show you how I love and appreciate you guys. I am actually gonna do my voiceover for my Sunday reset. I prep my Sunday reset for Sunday to come because I cannot do anything for 6 weeks. That cleaning lady's coming tomorrow. And I told her she's gonna have to come every Friday for a month to just clean the bathrooms and stuff because the bathroom there have to clean, the house have to clean. So we will not have any Sunday reset. Only stuff, probably cleaning up myself or anything, but nothing has to do with cleaning. So everything is in preparation. Everything is under the wraps. My husband will have to be cooking and all of that. You guys will see that because he's gonna definitely show you guys that. But yeah, I'm preparing everything. I already closed off next week's vlog, so you guys have a vlog for next week while I'm in recovery. And I'm not sure about a Sunday reset. I'll probably do a little, let's not go in there, but I have something for Sunday coming because I'm gonna do the voiceover right now tonight. And yeah, and then after this video I'm gonna do a preparation because I have a list of I have to shower the night before surgery and the morning of surgery, and then I have to be doing laundry and everything. So me have to go wash my ear, me have to go change my bed sheet. Everything is gonna be have to be new and sanitized, clean. So that's another thing. But yeah, oh child, it's finally here. It's just like I dropped this on you guys because you guys have no idea, you guys have no clue, and I'm just here like, hey, tomorrow I have a surgery, you know. I know a lot of people are gonna be in the comments probably speculating, but guys, just give me this opportunity to know that, you know, we have people that mean us good and some that don't, that watches, and when everybody see the video and the title, you know, I'm doing surgery, is gonna be something. So I don't want to be judged or people to have an opinion. This is the internet, I'm used to it now. So I decide to not, I will have a community on members or something, and I'll tell you guys more details for you guys to get more personal with me, but publicly I wish not to. And then sometimes you can't even do that because the same people be telling other people. But anyway, if I feel that way, then I'll do it. But tomorrow is the day. I am so nervous. I try not to think about it. I watched a lot of videos on persons who have done that surgery and get some form of comfort, but everybody's body is different. And then I know somebody that's really close who actually had the surgery a couple weeks ago as well. So she was giving me you know, her take. You know what, I was supposed to go to the pharmacy to get some stuff. Luckily I live close by a 24-hour pharmacy, so I could get it in the morning. But on the way I could let my husband go and get it. I actually put them in my Amazon cart to purchase them for them to get here, but I did not. You know what, they told me that Olivia is not supposed to sleep with me tonight, but where's she gonna sleep? How do I feel? Oh, God is in control. This is just, you know, but I am ready. I'm ready to get it done, get it over with, and just okay. So I'm working on myself, which means self-care, taking care of yourself, health, and all of that. Everything is coming after. But we have to make steps. Sometimes we make tiny steps, and sometimes we have to make some big steps. Literally, you have to run up the stairs instead of crawling and walking. Skip a stair and go up and go up. So this is also gonna help me to, you know, feel better within myself and stuff like that. So yeah, but I'm nervous. My husband's I don't want to get into that, his thoughts on me getting surgery, because yeah, I don't want to get into that. But let's say we're getting it, so y'all know what that means. I really don't know what to say to you guys, because I am normally 100% transparent and actually, you know, bring you guys in my space. So it's like I want to say more, but I was advised not to, and then I have come up with the conclusion. And when I said it to my husband, he was like, you know what, that makes so much sense, because at the end of the day, people are gonna appreciate you for letting them know, and then they're gonna tell you, you're not the only one, been there before, we're here with you, like, you know. But then at the same time, you're still gonna get people that's gonna ask more questions that don't make sense, that you cannot answer, and that you just don't even want to hear. So I decided to keep some part private, and it's best that way. Oh, however, since the incident with my husband back in, is it March? Late March. I cannot come on the internet, whether it's Instagram, whether it's TikTok, Facebook, wherever platform, and run no joke. I cannot make a post certain way because people are gonna put your name towards. So that's why I want to just keep everything. I just want you guys to know that I am doing this for me, and it's working on myself. It's just realizing what you need to do for yourself. Sometimes you have to put the kids aside, your husband aside, and the house aside, and just focus on you. And this is a step to focus on me. Ladies, just situations happen for you to take measures and be at peace, but at the end of the day, make it about you, and that's what I am doing. So I would appreciate you guys just to support me. Just know that this is for me, me as a person, me as Crissy, me as somebody's mother, me as somebody's friend, me as somebody's wife, me as however you look at me. I'm doing this for me. So I would appreciate you guys just be on board, and just at the same time know that what, this is what she's doing for her. If we need to know more, then we'll know more. I'll give you guys the recovery process and everything, but I will not say too much detail, so you guys will know about the recovery and everything. But as far as the type of surgery, I wish not to disclose that right at this moment. So yes, you can leave your opinion. Christian texting me that I'm lying. So let me tell you something, guys. This month of October, is a blessing. I literally just got an offer, a brand deal. Why are you coming here as you see figures? Don't come because I'm vlogging, and I'm just telling them that Christian are coming at the house, as I swear. And I was just telling them that I feel like this month is a blessing because I'm telling them that I have surgery, and then after that, the early part of the month is surgery, and then late down in the month we have some bigger stuff that's coming along, So even though I have surgery, I have some appointment where I have to go, like probably later on in the month, and they're important, and I don't want to miss it for the world. But by then I'll be mobile, I can move around. But anyway, I got an email from a company, a very big company, wanting to work with me. So it's not, I'm not gonna tell them, it's not confirmed, but the offer is big. When me see it, me say this real, but let me show you how God work.
Is that real?
You brighty? Them reach out to me already, It's so funny, this company reached out to me already on behalf of Disney. They wanted to work with me with something, but they put a pause on it, and they had said, the company decided to put a pause on it. It now have nothing to do with this because a different company them I work with. And she was like, we'll keep you in touch if anything else come up. I remember me I tell her, so one lady post something. So she get an offer for something for 30,000. You see how God work? And me look pan that and I'm like, that is going to be me. Those big offers. What are you doing to get that big offer? And me get an email since night with something like that, the offer. So if it come true, you're not gonna know. And then you probably don't even know which company it is, because companies are reaching out, and that's how I know things are happening. Like, after every, like when there's a disaster, the sky have to come back clear and blue. Keep yourself together. Like, sometimes you have to go through stuff to feel renewed, for things to just, you have to go through something. And if you're listening to this, don't feel ashamed. Don't feel like you cannot do it, because with every disappointment, there is victory. And I'm receiving my victory, and I'm receiving my reward, because with everything that I'm doing. So everything the year is good so far. Everything is going well. God is truly amazing, like I keep telling you guys, and everything have to do with him. Me not gonna lie, some nights me forget to pray when I go on my bed, but I'm a person to be thankful. When me in the kitchen I remember. Sometimes I'm even intimate and remember and I give thanks, you know. But that's kind of, you know, some whole in my faith though. For you be intimate and you say, God, thank you so much. We Jamaicans say, yes, Lord, thank you. Do you think you not acknowledge that? That simple little word. You eat and you say, yes, thank you, Jesus. Trust me, it means so much. Because your stomach is full and you know that God Almighty did that. Provide. So, that's what that is. Like I said, we're doing a surgery tomorrow morning. I'm super nervous. I should be prepared and gone on my bed already. But I still have more to do because I'm doing laundry. I'm trying to take care of everything from tonight. So after this, it's time for me to prep what I need to do. My hair have to wash tonight. And I have to come here for going clean. So I'm going to take care of myself. But I'm going to close the vlog off. You can leave your opinion, leave your comment. But ladies, be firm, be strong, and know that you got this. So I'll see you guys in updates after surgery, in recovery. You guys will get updates. My husband will definitely give you guys videos on that, and I'll check in with you guys when it's time for me to do self-care, to take care of myself after surgery, because that is important, you know. After surgery and stuff, if you get a cut, if you this, that, you're gonna have to bathe and take care of yourself. So I'll keep you guys posted, but just so you know, for the rest of the week, although on the last of the video here, if you know, because next week's vlog I go post first, and then this I go post. Wanna not see this? Anyway, I love you guys. So always remember that God is love. Stay safe, keep me in your prayers still when you see this video, and know that we got this, girl. Woman power around here. Big up on yourself. And I'll catch you guys in updates after surgery. So, have a great night. Bye.